The Biju Janata Dal on Sunday clarified the reasons behind the suspension of Arvind Mohapatra, stating that the party had been closely monitoring his activities through internal reports over the past 22 months. According to party leaders, Arvind Mohapatra allegedly betrayed the organization soon after receiving the party ticket and subsequently began working against its interest. The BJD alleged that Arvind, along with his father, Bijoy Mohapatra, was running Patkura as a father-son party unit and had allegedly conspired to defeat the party's own parliamentary candidate. The party also accused him of deliberately avoiding the use of the party symbol and the photograph of party president Navin Patnaik at public programs. Further allegations include removing BJD workers from panchayat level positions and replacing them with their own supporters. The party compared his action to those of his father, claiming that both had earlier betrayed the party and his founder, Biju Patnaik. BJD leader Amresh Patri said Arvind Mohapatra had not only betrayed the party but also the people of the Patkura constituency. Responding to the accusations, Arvind Mohapatra dismissed the claims and accused the BJD of making new allegations daily. He further stated that he would seek an appointment with BJD Supremo Navin Patnaik to present his side of the story.
बारंबार से कहउचंती जे कोन पई मु हेइची मु जानि नाही कोन पई मते करा जायछि मु जानि नाही मु पचेरबी मु तांको प्रथमे कहबा को चाहूची से केवल दल विरोधी कार्यक्रम करना दल सहित बेईमानी करि नाहंती से पाटकुरा वासी मानक सहित मध्य विश्वासघातता करिसंती जो बिजु जनता दल नेतृत्व माने पाटकुरा रे तांको जितेइचंती आज प्रथमे से जेतबेले विधायक हेकि आसिले सेतबेले से आरंभ कले कोना प्रत्येक पंचायत रु पाखापाखि 90% पंचायत रे आज बिजु जनता दल जो माने पताका धरी बुलुथिले जो माने तार दायित्व नेउथिले जो माने तार पंचायत सभापति थिले सेमानकु काढी देई तांको निज लोक जो माने 24 वर्ष तांको सहित घुरी बुलुथिले सेही मानकु आज सभापति से करिसंती
प्रत्येक थर नुआ नुआ अभियोग आणुचंती मु तां कहितली गोटे कागज फर्दरे सब जाक अभियोग लिखि आणंतु एवं ताको मीडिया आगे रखंतु सबुदिन गोटे अभियोग आनले केमथि हो शुणंतु नवीन सहित मु कथा हो चेष्टा करी तापर उत्तर देबी।